So in today's video we have the Trendmood Box. This is volume 16. This puppy was $44. So if you want to see what's inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money, then keep on watching. Okay, like I tell you in a lot of the videos, I film in the attic, and today was a hot one. Let me see what the weather is right now, because it is almost 7 o'clock at night when I'm filming. It's 6:55. I just got done cooking dinner, cleaning up the kitchen, hence why I look like this. And let's see what the weather is. Okay, so it's 89 degrees right now, but I don't know what the heat index is. But anyway, I film in the attic, so it's always like 10 degrees hotter in the house. So I have the air conditioner on. So you probably hear that noise, but I can't help it. I cannot take the heat. Anyway, Trendmood Box. So if you don't know what this is not a monthly subscription. Well, it's not even a subscription. But what Trendmood does, she has an Instagram account, and she also has her own subscription box, her and her husband. And every so often they have, you can get it like, maybe she might put it out every month, maybe 2 times in a month, maybe every other month. Whenever she puts a box out, she puts a box out. And it's more like first come, first serve. And it's always different prices depending what's in the box. So this box here was $44. It came out June 20th. And today is the 25th. So I got it pretty quickly. All right, so let's cut her open. You always know what's in your box. She does do sneak peeks and all that. That way you know if you want to get the box. But your girl don't have a memory. I know a few things that's in here, but I forget the rest. So let's open her up. You can see I have not cut into it or anything yet. Okay, so you have a little scan me here. Well, it says scan me, and you scan that, and I don't think it comes with a card. That way you can find out everything that's in the box, that gives you information about each product. So I like that. And it comes packaged very nice in her little purple theme. And it looks like that. So it really does come really well packaged. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. So here's a little sneak peek. Not too much. You know, I like to tease a little bit. All right, so let me grab my phone and let me scan this and see what it comes up. Okay, so when I scanned it, it's coming up Trend. I always say Tread, but it's Trendmood Box 14. So this is an older box. So maybe they had, like, I don't know, extra boxes. I have no idea. So what I'm going to do really quick is go onto the Instagram, and that way I can give like a little detail what everything is. Okay, you see the Trendmood Box has their own Instagram, and then it'll tell you like what's in the box and stuff like that. Okay, so the first thing is from Kapari, and this is the Ultra Restore Body Butter. And I love me some body butter. I really, really do. Just open her up if I can open her up. What in the... Oh my goodness, I cannot get it up. Oh, it's taped. All right. Okay, that's better. All right, and look at that. That's filled up to the top. All right, I'm going to take some off the lid and just see what it feels like. So it looks like that. Oh, it smells, it really doesn't have too much of a scent. It's like a clean scent, you know, and it's thick like a body butter, which I love these at nighttime. I love putting these on my legs, my elbows, my ankles, my feet, stuff like that, my arms, because I'm diabetic. And so especially in the summertime, I get dry. You would think I would get more drier in the winter, but no, in the summertime. This has hyaluronic acid in it. Ew. It says twist off inner cup and recycle separately. Oh, wow. So you can take this off and recycle. Okay, all right. Okay, I love packaging. Okay, so let's see what that says. All right, so these don't give me prices on here. It just says the Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. So, well, that's pretty cool. You can take that out, recycle it, and then you can put a refill in here. That's pretty cool. Okay, so the next thing is from Keys. This is the reason why I wanted to get the box. I love anything from Keys. If you don't know, it's Alicia Keys brand. I get the AIA Beauty Box, and a few months ago we had all Keys. It was the skincare of the, you know, a lot of her products, and I loved it. I always keep some of the packaging right here on my desk because I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's like glass, and I mean, it's like a purplish bluish bottle. It's beautiful. I love the packaging. And now she came out with makeup. So this is the Sheer Flush Cheek Tint, and it's in the shade Sensual. Okay, and I've tried this before. I believe I got it in Ipsy, but not this color. And that's what she looks like. I mean, it feels just like a dream. That is beautiful. I mean, you can use this as like a lip balm as well, you know? But, all right, that's gorgeous. Let me know down below if you're into cream products now, or are you still in the powder? Let me know down below. Okay, so we have that. All right, this was open. So this is an eye gel. And actually, look, the lid was kind of off of it, so hopefully it's not dried out. It's definitely not filled. I mean, look at that. Oh, that's so upsetting. Okay, so, you know, because it was tilted on its side, so I did get it, but it's all the way down to here, like, oh. You don't get a lot, but with eye creams, let's be real, you don't need a lot anyway. And it's up decent. I like eye cream a little bit thicker than this, but I put a bunch of different products on my face every night. But this is great for daytime when you want to put makeup or something on, because, you know, if you put anything on too thick, a lot of times like your foundation or anything like that, it kind of like just slides down. So this is perfect for daytime. So I'm actually really happy with this. I just don't think I would use it at nighttime, you know? Like thicker things at night. Get your mind out of the gutter. Okay, so let me see what brand that is from. Okay, so this is from Wildcat Skin. It's the Orchard Stem Cell Plus Magnolia Berry Eye Gel. All right. I wish they would have gave prices or the right scanner thingy, but that's all right. Okay, the next thing is from Origins. And what is this? Oil-free energy boosting gel moisturizer. I think I tried this before. It looks very familiar, and I must have liked it because I don't remember anything negative. So it has a safety seal, and this is pretty filled as well. And it smells like oranges a little bit. Okay, so this is like a regular moisturizer. It's not like a body butter, but this is nice too. I actually like this a lot too. This is perfect for your face. All right, so far I'm loving everything. Like, it's mainly, this box is mainly a skincare box, but there's plenty of times where it's like all makeup. So that I knew, but I loved all the brands that were gonna be in it, you know? All right, we have a couple more products from Keys. And this is a lip balm, tinted lip balm. So you get 2 of them. All right, so the first one says how do you say it? Manifestation. I can never say that word. Manifestation. The manifestation. There we go. All right, so let's see. I hope it's not that orangey color. Oh, I keep saying it, but I just love her packaging, and I'm so happy she's coming out with makeup. All right, and it is. I don't look good with the red, like orangey red. I look more like blue toned, you know, because of my color skin, you know, but it's a lip balm, so. And it's definitely more like a burnt orange, but it's not that bad. And I think for those no makeup days, this will go perfect, you know? So I'm not mad at it. And the next one is Lucid. So I think this is like a clear, maybe? Right, same packaging. Yeah, all right. Let me put it over here. I just want to see like how shiny. Yeah, I don't know what you're going to be able to see, but you can see it definitely has some like shine to it. So I'm happy. I'm glad they put both colors in, you know, for different skin tones. That's pretty cool. All right, so we have 2 more products. All right, the next one is from First Aid Beauty, and this is a cleansing oil makeup remover, and I love, my favorite is like the bombs, right? But I love these things with going in with my makeup. It says safe for sensitive skin, and I don't think I've tried this. I love the fact it's a pump, so I'm really excited to get this. I go through makeup removers like so fast. And the last thing is from Keys again, and this is a Complexion Brush. Oh, I didn't know Keys made tools. Look at that. Okay, all right. And that's what it looks like. All right, let me see what this is for if it says. So this is a natural flush complexion brush. So I bet you it's for the, what do you call that? Blush, the cream blush. Oh, that is so exciting that she has makeup tools now, and it feels really nice. Like, all right. Okay, so this is still available as I'm filming. So it's $44 and you get $188 worth of value for everything in here. So you definitely get your money's worth. So let's recap everything that's in the volume 16 box. So you get this makeup remover, which I'm really happy to get. You get the Origins Gel Moisturizer. You get the Wildcat. I never heard of this brand before. This is the eye gel. You get from Keys, you get the cream blush. You also get 2 lip balms. You also get her complexion brush, which I'm happy to get. You can probably use this for any cream products, really. Foundation, the blushes, all that stuff. I'm really happy to get this. And then last but not least, you get this body butter. I mean, I loved, there's not one thing in here I'm gonna like complain about, because I already knew it was mainly skincare, you know, but every product in here I will use, every single one. And I definitely think it's worth the $44. So I'm really happy. I'm excited to see what volume 17 is. Hopefully it's more of a makeup box, like more makeup, but I'm really satisfied with this box. Let me know what you think of it. Do you think it's worth it? Did you get it? Will you get it? You know your girl is nosy. So let me know down below. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Make sure you leave a comment. That's engagement, and it really does help me out. Let me know what the weather is where you are from. Don't forget, I do have that second channel, Just Anne's World. I just put up a vlog with hubby. We did some like walk and talk, and we seen some animals, some peacocks. I fed some birds. So if you want to see that video, I will leave it down below. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. All right. I've been missing out on these boxes. All right, this is kind of better than like the beauty boxes I get, to be honest with you. All right, Trendmood, I see ya.